the truth.
What's up, guys? This is your girl Elijah and I am back again with another video. Daily Game, Squad, what's up? Alright, y'all, so I just did a video not too long ago. It's titled Apartment Tour 2018. To understand why I titled it that is because when we moved in, it was last year, 2018, January, and I never got around to, filming the apartment tour for you guys. So I'm just now doing it, even though it's 2019. And, I also just wanted to get it out the way because we're going to end up moving again soon, so I wanted to hurry up and go and do that. So when we move, I can go ahead and film a furnished apartment tour and then, like a furnished apartment tour or whatever. So before you watch this, make sure you go show that video some love. And of course, show this one some love. Alright guys, so I'm going to make fried chicken and I'm going to make french fries. So I thought, why not show you guys how I make my fried chicken, because I'm sure everybody, makes theirs differently. And I'm also sure, everyone uses different types of seasoning. So I have a bowl full of chicken wings. I ran some cold water, poured a little salt in, and I put this lid on right here. And I let it sit for about 15 or 20 minutes, tops. And what that do is supposed to, clean your chicken, make sure it gets the germs out, and, stuff like that. If I'm wrong, let me know, because I feel like I've heard somebody say that before. Alright guys, so I'm going to go ahead and rinse this off, thoroughly, and I'll be right back with you. Alright guys, so now that I got my chicken, ooh, this chicken looks nasty, bro. But yeah, alright, now that I got my chicken all washed off and stuff, I'm going to go ahead and get the seasonings that I'm going to be using. So of course, you have to have your black pepper. You have to have your garlic powder. I'm going to also be using a little bit of white pepper too. Now, I got this for ribs, y'all, and I've just been using this on everything, literally, because it tastes so good, you feel me? I'm going to be a little, y'all, I can't even talk, like, what's going on? Alright, I'm going to be using a little bit of lemon pepper as well. I'm not going to use a lot, just like a little bit. I'm going to be using some Old Bay, and a little bit of cayenne pepper, and some sea salt, and a little bit of Lorry seasoning salt. Now, just a tip for you guys, when you use this, when you use Lorry seasoning salt, excuse me, do not use salt, because Lorry seasoning salt by itself is already salty as hell. So combining those two together, yeah, that's a big no-no. But with me, I'm just going to put just a little bit, I'm not going to really put that much for it to be, salty. So let me go ahead and add my seasoning, mix it up, and I'll be right back, guys. Alright guys, it might not look like it on camera, but I went ahead and I added all my seasonings. I did not add the salt though, because like I said, if you add Lorry seasoning salt and you add more salt, that shit gonna be salty as hell. So I left the salt out, but I did add everything else. I added a little bit more garlic than anything else because, we love garlic over here, so, I decided to use more of that. Alright, now, see what I'm gonna do is, normally I cook my chicken two ways. Three ways. I bake it, I fry it with flour, or I just fry it as is. I don't use flour. And this time I'm going to fry it without flour. See, my grandfather, he doesn't like his chicken too crunchy, and when you put flour on, like pork chops or chicken and stuff like that, it makes it hard. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you guys. You're going to see what I'm talking about, but yeah, so right now we're going to get our oil. Let's go ahead and grab that. y'all, I'm trying to use one hand. Hold on. I'm going to add the rest of that. Go ahead and get your skillet or whatever you're going to be using. Now, when you put your chicken on, like before you put it on, I'm going to put mine on about 2. Y'all, yes, I know the stove dirty. Bear with me, y'all. I haven't been feeling good today, so yeah. I'm gonna clean it though. Don't worry, don't worry. Alright, but yeah, make sure your oil is hot, nice and hot before you put your chicken in. Otherwise, you're just gonna be dipping it in cold ass oil, and you don't want that, do you? No, of course you don't. Alright, y'all. So I'm practically done with everything. I'm just gonna wait till the oil. I can't even talk for shit. Like, what is going on? I'm gonna wait till the oil gets hot, and then I'm gonna show you guys how I make my chicken. And then I'm gonna get some potatoes, wash them off, and cut them up and all that good stuff too. But you know, that'll be towards the end, like when the chicken is done and stuff. So yeah, be back.
A few moments later.
Alright guys, so my oil is nice and hot. Alright, I'm gonna be using these tongs, whatever you call them. Alright y'all, this shit about to get. What? No. Hush. Alright y'all, so I got my chicken, and if you have a pot, it's best to go ahead and put it on right now. Because if you don't, this is gonna be frying everywhere. And on top of that, you might even get popped by some grease. So go ahead and add the top on now. I will see y'all in a bit. Alright y'all, I'm back now. For some reason my phone didn't want to record, so I had to turn my phone on and off. Y'all, my shit is tripping over here, but yeah, this is what the chicken looks like. I'm just trying to make sure, you know, it's done because I don't want to be serving raw chicken now. You know, I don't want anybody getting sick because of me. But yeah, this is what it's looking like. Oh shit! Oh my god. That freaking oil just popped the fuck out of me. Alright y'all, so I'm gonna let it cook just a little bit more. And yeah, I'll be back when I'm done with everything. Alright y'all, we got our last batch of chicken in right now. So you know, we're almost done. I got the chicken right here. Looks good in here. I put a little paper towels in here, so a little paper towel. I put 2 sheets of paper towels in here so it can soak up the grease, and you know, we don't have a bowl full of oily chicken, right? So this is what the finished products look like, and this is what the unfinished products look like. But I'll be back, y'all. Hey y'all, what's up? So the chicken wings are done. This is what the finished, can't talk. This is what the finished product looks like. It looks a little burnt, but it's not burnt. I cut up the potatoes, or french fries, and that's what I'm doing right now. I'm frying the french fries, and I think I may have cut too many, but that's alright. You know, they'll get eaten or whatever. So yeah, everything's almost done, and I'll be back when, you know, everything's done. Alright guys, so this is the finished product. Everything is done almost. I have just a little bit more french fries to go, but other than that, you know, we're all done. I made a little sauce. Alright guys, I'm sorry about that. My phone just cut off for some reason. But yeah, I made a little sauce. Just mix some hot sauce and butter together and let it boil for just a little bit, like a few seconds. Not too long because it's going to burn. But yeah, I'm all done. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like, share, comment, and subscribe. Let me know in the description box what you guys would like to see from me next, and I'll try my best to deliver. Alright guys, this your girl Foreign Dealer. I'm out. Bye.